Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where today I am going to share a super easy DIY recipe for a natural bleach that will give you glowing skin. You won't believe how simple and effective it is. So here's what you will need: tomato juice, potato juice, turmeric, lemon juice and some besan or gram flour. Let's get started. So guys, take a potato and grate it. Squeeze out the juice using a muslin cloth or a strainer. Potato juice contains enzymes that can help lighten your skin tone. Next, take a fresh tomato and blend it to extract the juice. Tomato juice is rich in antioxidant and help to lighten darken spots and blemishes on the skin. Now in a bowl, combine equal amount of tomato juice and potato juice. Mix them well. Add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder to the mixture. Turmeric has amazing anti-inflammatory properties and help to brighten the skin. And squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Lemon is a natural bleaching agent that can lighten your skin and even out your complexions. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour to the mixture. This will act as a natural exfoliator and help remove dead skin cells. Mix everything together until you can get a smooth paste like consistency. Now it's time to apply this mask to your face. Make sure your face is clean and dry before applying. Use your fingers or a brush to spread the mixture evenly all over your face, avoiding the eye areas. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries completely. As it dries, you may feel a slightly tightening sensations on your skin. Once it's dry, wet your hands and gently massage your face in circular motion or exfoliate. This will help remove the mask and reveal brighten smoother skin. Finally, rinse your face in lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. You will instantly notice a natural glow and a more even skin tone. Repeat this DIY bleach once or twice a week or best result. And remember, always moisturize your skin after using any mask face mask. That's it for today video. I hope you enjoy this video bleach recipe using tomato, potato and turmeric, lemon juice and besan. Give it a try and let me know how it work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare tips. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.